We're very pleased to have you with us today. We extend a warm welcome to our distinguished research award winners, their families, colleagues, as well as the Aday, Bement, and McCoy families. This is a wonderful occasion where we get to honor Professors Gentry, Gore, and Law and their outstanding research achievements. I'm going to reserve most of my remarks for their lectures, but simply wanted to share how proud we are of these distinguished Purdue faculty. We're also grateful to the Aday, Bement, and McCoy families for sponsoring these most distinguished awards. Before we start, what we'd like to do is take a minute, and it's my pleasure to introduce Patrick Wolf, our provost at Purdue University, to make a couple remarks.
Welcome, everybody. I just wanted to really add my congratulations and thanks to everybody for coming. I see we've got the timer in the back of the room. I know that that's not for me, but I know it'll be for our lecturers, because what great professor ever didn't want to talk about their work and talk and talk and talk, right? You know, I was thinking about this event, and I was thinking about how for a little while we couldn't quite do things in person because of the COVID years, and I was thinking about just how fundamental research and research excellence is to Purdue, to our character and our values and everything that we stand for. And I was looking through the very nice booklet that Karen prepared, talking about you know, research excellence and excellent researchers, the three folks that we're here to celebrate today and their achievements. And the two things that really struck me, the first is just that looking through the sponsors of these awards and the winners themselves this year, we've got people from all across the United States and even award winners from 3 different countries of origin. I think that is a great and wonderful and amazing testament to Purdue and our ability to attract and retain global talent. Folks who had the opportunity to come here, to come to the United States for graduate school, to start their careers at Purdue, and to be here all these years and make incredibly great and strong research contributions in sustained and continued ways. I think it's an amazing testament to what we stand for as a university. The second thing I was thinking about, and this is just the last thought that I'll leave you with, is looking through the past list of winners, I was reminded about how fortunate I feel to know so many of these distinguished individuals. Just again, looking through the list, so many people, and I know we have many here in the audience today, who have received these awards in the past, and again, what a testament they are to our institution. So I look very, very forward to adding this year's list of honorees to our honor roll. And without further ado, I will let us go ahead and start with our awards and lectures. So thank you very, very much, and have a good afternoon. Thank you.
Thank you, Provost Wolf. We really appreciate you being here today to help celebrate our winners. Each year, we gather to honor distinguished research faculty from across Purdue for their outstanding research accomplishments. And it really is one of the true highlights of my role as Executive Vice President for Research. As a lifelong researcher myself, as well as Provost Wolf and President Chang, we place very high value on research excellence and on recognizing our researchers. The persistent pursuit of excellence is at the center of Purdue long being recognized for world-class research that serves the needs of the people in Indiana, our country, and the world. By striving for excellence, the Purdue University community is continually developing innovative solutions that promote a safe and secure lifestyle by improving global health, strengthening national defense, providing a safe and dependable food supply, ensuring economic prosperity, protecting the environment, and modernizing housing and transportation infrastructure. So today we recognize and celebrate the remarkable contributions that these 3 outstanding Purdue professors have made in the fields of education, engineering, and biology. These researchers include Professor Marcia Marcia Gentry, winner of the Aday Award, Professor J. Gore, winner of the Arden L. Bement Jr. Award, and Professor Zhao-Qing Luo, winner of the Herbert Newby McCoy Award. So please join me in recognizing these award winners.